Hello everyone, welcome back. Wanted to get one last flight video in for Louis Gonzo the Great on Cults. Little Fokker 21. It's a Dutch Fokker design. The build thread is located in the info below, and it was on the last video too, but wanted to get one last video flight in before moving on to the next project Louis has, and which has already been started, Japanese Hayabusa, however you pronounce that. I'll try to do better when I get around to building it. But we had a great day at the park today. This little thing flies great. There's no other description for it. You can fly it fast, you can fly it slow. This will slow right down. Take a look at the video to follow, and we did a stall test, took it up, slowed it way down, way down, and finally it had a tip stall. This is a fairly high aspect ratio wing, and it's tapered, so most old-time modelers know that that is a formula for some pretty wicked tip stalls. Well, not in this case. I think the full span ailerons probably saved it, but it handles like a dream, and it has a very wide flight speed spectrum. A lot of times with these 3D printed models, these little World War II aircraft, they don't fly at scale speeds. They look like supersonic jets coming across the field. I like them to fly at a more scale pace, and this one does. You can slow this little bugger right down, and it just handles like a dream once you get the controls sorted out. It's flying on a 3-cell 500 milliamp hour battery and a little 2205 2400 kV motor, and it handles fine. We flew almost the entire flight except for the launch, and the first couple of laps flew almost the entire flight at half throttle, so plenty of power on the little 2205. And other than that, there's not a lot to say. Louis hit it out of the ballpark with this one. This is a great model. Go see him on Cults for this one and his other models. Meanwhile, let's show the flight video. And thanks again for coming. Okay, video is running. So let's try this one more time. This time with a good battery. Okay, ready? All right.
Good. Half throttle.
Half throttle?
Yeah, elevator is much better.
1 minute.
Looks really smooth now. No
Yeah.
porpoising.
Right. Slow it down a little more.
Yeah, like I said last week, it's got plenty of wing.
Just below half throttle. I don't know if I can get it slower or not. Okay, you want to try to fly it?
I'll have to go get another battery. I want to get a good...
Bring it down some more. It's still pretty speedy. I want to get some altitude and try to slow it down.
Yeah, see if it...
2 minutes.
get some altitude and stall it if you want to.
So that's what I'm planning on.
Well, now that's slowed down.
Yeah. Not flying. He's pretty
Ah, there was a tip stall. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good though. It wasn't vicious.
No. like the speed better right now. Let's see if we can do a loop. Whoa, come on, man. Got a little worried.
All right.
Try to limit it.
That tamed it right down.
Yeah, definitely a lot better than it was. Go ahead and try to bring it in.
All right. Ooh, that's okay. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, flight video done. As you guys could see, the thing handled great. Control limits are the key. You cannot have huge controls on these little models, or they'll be all over the place. 4 up, 4 down millimeters is fine. Of course, you saw the tip stall in the video, and you saw the quick recovery. It just handles great. You can fly this thing fast. You can fly it slow. Just a good all-around park flyer model. Easy to build. Parts count is fairly low, and goes together really well. Lewis put a lot of thought in how these parts fit together. So that's it for the Fokker, Dutch Fokker 21 flights that I'll be posting. I've got to move on to other projects, but this one is a keeper and will be in my hangar and be out at the park really often. I love the way this thing flies. Thanks for showing up, and I'll be back.